This is the main door. Then there is a cabinet next to the door for storage of shoes, and you can use this to keep your snow jackets when you enter. And when you enter, this is the kitchen at the entrance. There is a fridge, a dishwasher, sink. Then there is this cooking range with oven and chimney, and you get few cabinets for the storage. Then this is a balcony. I don't know about the 19th floor yet, but I think it should be there. So this balcony is good enough to keep 2 chairs and 1 table. Then this is the living room. Okay, this table we have bought. So you get an empty flat, you just get the capsule. So this is the entry. Then there is this storage again next to the door, which is pretty big. I mean, you can use this for pantry storage, food or anything of that sort. Then this is the entry to the passage area. This is 1 bathroom. There is only 1 bathroom, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. You have a full shower area. And then opposite the bathroom, there is 1 more storage area. You can keep your toiletries or whatever products, like that you can decide. Then this is one of the room. So this is 1 big room available, and the wardrobes are like within, so you can have it storage here as well. And then out here from the passage where this bathroom and all, this is the 2nd bedroom. So mattresses and everything you will have to buy. And again here there is a wardrobe. This is a smaller room, but it's good enough. I mean, this is